In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Calendly to your LinkedIn profile. This guide is going to walk you through the process step by step so you can seamlessly integrate these two powerful tools and make your scheduling process a breeze. Let's dive right in. First, head over to Calendly's website. Calendly is a fantastic scheduling tool that helps automate the back and forth of finding the perfect meeting time. Once you're on the website, you'll want to look for the login button, which you'll find at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click that. Now, if you already have an account with Calendly, you'll see an option to continue with Google. This is a convenient option for those who like to keep things streamlined. Click Continue with Google to move on. You'll then be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account that you have linked with Calendly, ensuring you're using the right credentials. If you're prompted with any security messages, just follow the on-screen instructions to grant permission. Now, once you're logged into Calendly, it's time to navigate to your integrations. Look at the main dashboard for the integrations and apps option and click on it. This will take you to the section where you manage all the different tools and services you can connect with Calendly. In the search bar here, you'll need to type in highlight. This is a quick way to sort through the different available options without manually scrolling through everything. With that done, you'll want to find and select LinkedIn messaging. Clicking on this option will let you begin the process of linking these two services. Now, the next step is to download the necessary extension for your browser. Since we're doing this through Chrome, click Download for Chrome. Once the download completes, you will see an option that says Add to Chrome. Click on it to start the installation process of the extension. Follow any prompts that are introduced by your browser. Typically, Chrome will ask for confirmation to add new extensions. So just click Add Extension to finalize the installation, and that's it. You've successfully added Calendly to LinkedIn. Now, whenever you're engaging with connections on LinkedIn, you can easily send them your Calendly link directly through LinkedIn messaging, streamlining the process of setting up meetings. Having Calendly directly accessible in LinkedIn not only saves you time, but also makes it extremely user-friendly for your clients or colleagues. Don't forget to manage your Calendly settings to ensure your availability is always up to date. With this integration, coordinating meetings should be more efficient than ever. Thanks for watching.